guys, it's your girl back with another video. Today I'll be doing the Pop Smoke braids that's been trending, so stay tuned for the look. So the hair that I'm using is the X-Pressions pack. It came with 3 bundles pre-stretched, which was great. The color was an ombre blonde, so the tips faded out to a light blonde color. So here I'm just taking a section of my hair that I've already parted. I did like 6 parts, I believe. So I'm just combing it out. Of course, moisturizing the hair before I do braid it in. Now I'm just taking a small piece from the hair, and the style that I did was the feed-in braids. So I would take a small section of the hair, start braiding it, and then take more hair, add it in throughout the whole braid. So I've actually never done the feed-in hairstyle method before, so this was literally like my first time ever trying it, because usually I would take like a medium-sized section of the hair and start braiding it, but I found out that the feed-in hairstyle, it makes the hairstyle more smoother, if you know what I mean. So I would gather more of my hair and tuck it in more, so it would create more of a cleaner look, which I did like in the end. I'm just braiding out the hair until the end. Since it was already pre-stretched, it was great, so I didn't have the loose ends as much, so that was really good. So while watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below if you tried the Pop Smoke braids as well, okay? So I'm on to the second section of my hair. I took my water bottle with water in it, just spraying it to make sure the hair is nice and soft before braiding it, and then taking my wide tooth comb and combing it out through. I'm just making sure that it's detangled and everything. Then I'm using some of the edge booster to flatten the hair down first to get any flyaways, because I wanted this style to be neat, and when I say neat, I mean so neat, okay? so many variations of this hairstyle. but for me, I just wanted to keep it cute and simple, so I didn't want to do too much, but literally just change the color of my hair. So that's why I installed the ombre blonde hair, still staying true to the Pop Smoke braids. Alright, so here is the final look of the Pop Smoke braids on me. This style was so cute to do. It literally took a couple of hours, not too long, so that was really great. I loved how the style turned out. I think I would definitely do it again. So please, if you like this hairstyle on me, just comment down below if you did, because I think I'm going to do it again in the future because this style was so cute. And of course, stay tuned for more vids. Bye guys.